Hey, welcome back to another video of Crypto Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to get free USDT in Binance. Getting free USDT on Binance typically involves participating in various promotion reward programs or educational initiatives. Here are some methods to earn or obtain free USDT. First is Binance Earn, saving account or staking. Saving account where you can deposit your USDT in Binance saving and earn interest. While this isn't free on the traditional sense, you are generating passive income on your holdings. Second is referral programs. Binance offers a referral program where you can invite friends to sign up. You can earn a percentage of the trading fee they incur, which can be paid out in USDT. To participate, go to the profile section and find the referral link and share it with your friends. Third is promotion and airdrops. Keep an eye on Binance promotional event and campaign. They sometimes offer free tokens including USDT during special event or airdrops. Check the Binance promotion page regularly for any ongoing offer. Fourth is completing the task. Binance has programs like Binance Academy where you can learn about cryptocurrency and potentially earn rewards for completing educational tasks or quiz. Another is trading competition. Participating in trading competition can also yield reward. Sometimes Binance hosts contests where you can win USDT or other token based on trading volume or performance. Also be cautious of scams or offers that seem too good to be true. Always verify the legitimacy of promotion. Make sure you are participating in activities that comply with Binance terms and conditions. Keep an eye on Binance blog or the news section for updates on available promotion. So that is how you can get free USDT in Binance. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.